Good day, everyone. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Lenten week, Monday to Wednesday, March 25 to 27, 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools in the Bicol region. About this power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you want to know more about the program, just click on the link here. Or if you're viewing via Facebook page, just click via the description. There's a link towards the page of BPI. And also the best hotel in Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's start our update. Here's the latest GovSat. This was issued last night and valid until Tuesday. We have the prevailing easterlies affecting the eastern sections of our country. And we have here a decaying cloudiness, although it's still rich with thunderstorms. And this is a part of one shallow LPA which formed to the southeast of Guam, and it's now moving fast towards the Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. And as of today, it's starting to bring some rain showers and thunderstorms across eastern Visayas, particularly Samar and Leyte provinces. So expect some thunderstorms, which is quite a relief despite the ongoing El Nino. And we have here a decaying shear line. It is expected to weaken in the next couple of days. And so far, it's all clear across the western Pacific. No other tropical disturbances or LPA forming. So let's take a look now at the latest satellite animation. This is from windy.com zoom in satellite animation. And you can clearly see here for the past 6 hours, beginning around 9:30 in the morning until 3 o'clock this afternoon. We have here the remaining remnants of the shallow LPA embedded within the easterlies, and it's expected to bring rain showers and thunderstorms across Visayas, and some of its rainfall or some of its cloudiness will be extending across the Bicol region, maybe tonight until tomorrow morning, and also across the northeastern Mindanao area, Surigao provinces, Dinagat, Surigao Islands. So expect some rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 24 hours. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain hot and dry with high heat index from 38 to 45 degrees Celsius. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids. And if you take a look at the latest European model forecast from the windy.com website, today there's the prevailing easterlies. By tomorrow afternoon, it will continue to prevail, but with decreasing wind velocity, okay? And on Wednesday afternoon, same situation will be expected until Thursday. And you can see that the central and western portions of our country will remain calm with very light winds. So expect increasing temperatures to persist for the next 3 days as we enter into the hot dry season. It is also known in the Philippines as the summer, or the Philippine version of our summer, but there's no actually summer condition, okay, in our country, or summer climate. And if you take a look at the rainfall forecast from the European model, so today here's now the rainfall that being brought to you by the remnants of shallow LPA. And tomorrow morning, it will also expand and bring rain showers across the Bicol region. So expect some thunderstorms all across the region. And in the afternoon, it will start to weaken. But expect some rainy conditions tomorrow, as well as here over Samar and Leyte provinces. But in the afternoon, some possible rain showers and thunderstorms will also be expected in some parts of central Luzon. By Wednesday afternoon, increasing localized thunderstorms will be expected over Luzon, particularly northern and central Luzon, Visayas, and also parts of Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula. Some portions of the Bicol region will also be expected. And on Holy Thursday, Still, afternoon or evening rain showers will be expected in some parts of Visayas and Mindanao, and also across the western sections of Luzon, particularly Ilocos region and the Cordillera Administrative region. And this is quite a relief despite the ongoing El Nino. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, most of the rainfall are concentrated across the eastern sections of our country, from northern Quezon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and northeastern Mindanao. And for the wave forecast, here's the wave forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So today we are experiencing some light to moderate waves, okay, of 1.5 to 2.5 meters across the eastern Philippine Sea. And by tomorrow, this wave height here will decrease to 1.5 to 1.7 meters here. And on Thursday, it will remain the same. Okay, so this is the wave height for the next 3 days until Thursday, Holy Thursday. And along the inland waters of the Philippine Islands and over the West Philippine Sea for the next 3 days, today, Monday, until Holy Thursday, we expect calm to very light waves of up to 1 meter, and it is great for fishing and sea travel. So nothing to worry about. Everything is quiet, light across the various waters of the Philippine Islands, except for the eastern sections where light to moderate waves will still be expected, but fishing activities can still be performed over these areas. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest from Typhoon 2000, and we will return again in the middle of the week before we take a Holy Week break. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.